This is the last line.
Okay, lights out, please.
We ended up leaving at like 5:20 yesterday.
I need water. I need water inside. The bottle in the cooler. Just don't put the lid because my water's on top.
I'm gonna make coffee.
Yeah, I could use a little coffee. That'd be great if you did that. Ready?
Oh, there's another big ass spider in here.
Hit the gun!
I just put the web in my mouth. Good morning. It's day 3 of the ICW trip. It's a little after 5. We are taking off. Today we are going from Crisfield, Virginia to Norfolk, Virginia. Get this beautiful day started. Let's go.
Oh, darling.
How are your evaluations going this morning?
They're going right now.
Have you crushed anybody's hopes and dreams for 2021 yet?
Not yet, no.
You don't talk no more like you used to do. Running away, come over you. Yeah, come on, huh, baby?
Good morning. It is now 8:30. We have cooked breakfast. We are on the open water with nothing around us. 46.3 miles to go. Arriving at 3:30 p.m. You got lucky today, bird! It's the first sign of life we've seen for miles. This was very difficult with the rolling deck. We got it sighted in. It looks like I went 6 for 6. We are going to get to Norfolk, Virginia tonight, where we will be staying at a military base. My Uncle Andy is a chief in the Navy, and he was able to get us a spot, so we're crashing there. It should be an exciting walk around. I don't think I'll be able to fly the drone there. We'll still film what we can and put together a cool edit. It is a beautiful day. Broke out of my foul weather gear and just put on a t-shirt and shorts. It's 10:30. I think we're making really good time. And it looks like they're doing something with food. Got a dolphin coming right out the boat. Got the sails down. We are making the final approach.